Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Manoj Sharma and today we will discuss about some topics of mathematics. So let's start. As we have already discussed about the number line in our previous lecture. So if you have any confusion, then go through that video. Today we will see some more important points in number line. So let's start. See, this one is your number line. What is the property of this line? What is the property of number line? So in the mid there is a 0. In the mid there is 0. At the left hand side of the 0, and this one is the right hand side of the 0. Right side of the 0. So at the left hand side we will put all the negative values. Means from 0 it will start -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on and so on. And after that, right hand side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. And here is -5, -6, -7, -8, -9 and so on. All the positive values at the right hand side and all the negative values at the left hand side. So all the positive value at the right hand side of the 0 and all the negative values at the left hand side of the 0. Now what is the increasing order on the number line? See, this is the increasing order from left to right. This is the increasing order on number line from left to right. This one is increasing order, and opposite of this direction is the decreasing order. Means this direction, means right to left. Okay, from right to left is the decreasing order. Decreasing order. From right to left, decreasing order. From left to right, increasing order. Means, see, on number line, see very carefully, do not skip the video, otherwise you will get confused. Okay, so for some time we will remove this right and left, as you are clear about right and left. This one is the right side of the 0, this one is the left hand side of the 0. So increasing order is from left to right. So -2 and -1. See, -2 and -1. So what is the increasing order? Increasing order from left to right. So this one is the left and this one is the right. This one is left and this one is right. So -1 is greater than -2. -1 is less than 0. 0 is less than 1, 1 is less than 2, 2 less than 3, 4 and so on. Okay, so this is the increasing order. And what will happen when we will do just opposite? Means in decreasing order, positive value, in decreasing order, positive value will come at the latter side and this values will come at the first side. So -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. This is the decreasing order. -4 always be less than -3, -4 less than -2, -4 less than -1. See, here is the one point you had to notice. In negative side, if value of that particular digit is greater, that negative number is lesser with negative sign. Okay. Now we will understand this phenomena by some example. 6, 5, -6, 5 and -6, -5 and 6, -5. Now the second one is 16, 17, -16 plus 17 -16 -17 and after that 16 -17. Now we will compare this. See, these both are positive values. These both are the positive values. So in positive values, which one is greater? That is greater, and which one is lesser? That is lesser with positive sign. So 6 is greater than 5 and 5 is less than 6. Now -6. See, in the negative values, which one is greater with negative sign? That will calculate it as lesser value. If 6 is positive sign, that is greater than 5. But if 6 is with negative sign, that is less than 5. Why? Because of this sign. Because of this sign. So I think you are clear that with this negative sign, the value is greater, then calculation is lesser. Means -6 is less than 5. Okay. Now here -6 and -5. -6 and -5. See, both are the negative values. But which one is greater? 6 is greater. So 6 will be lesser value. In negative, greater values become less and lesser value become greater. So -5 is greater than -6, and after that 6 is positive and 5 is negative. Then okay. Now I will give some time to you to solve this. Okay. Do not forward the video. Okay. First of all, solve by yourself. Then after that, play the video. Okay. To match this one. So 16 and 17 both are positive. In positive values, which one is greater? That is greater. Means 17 is greater than 16. Now after that, -16 and 17. -16 is less than 17, and after that both are the negative values. Which one has less value? That is greater. Means -16 is greater than -17, and after that last one, this one is positive and this one is negative. Okay. So positive value is always greater than the negative value. Now we will see some question that how can we identify which one is greater and which one is lesser. See, how can you use this number line in questions? we see some question from the exercise. First of all, what is the opposite of plus 5? That is minus 5. And what is the opposite of minus 4? That is plus 4. If you are in gain means profit. So opposite of gain is loss. Opposite of above is bell. Okay, so we can say all this. This one, gain means positive, above means positive, loss means negative, below means negative. Okay, so these are the opposite of each other. If we have negative, then positive is the opposite, and if you have positive, then negative is the opposite. Okay, so regarding to this, we will see some question. Questions are: reduction of 50 in the price of an item. See, a reduction of rupees 50 in price. So how can we represent this one? Reduction means less, and less goes to negative, so it will become minus 50. Okay, so it will become minus 50. Now 6 step to right. On number line, as we know that right hand side belongs to positive values, so 6 steps to the right means 6 steps to the right means plus 6. Okay, 6 steps to the right means plus 6. Now withdraw of rupees 6,500. Withdraw. First of all, you have to know about what is the withdraw. When you will go for bank for fetch some money from your account, that is the withdraw. Withdraw means you are taking some money from your own account. Okay, so that is the withdraw. Withdraw means if you are taking some money from your amount, then that will be reduction. That is the reduction of amount. So that will be in negative. That will be with negative sign. Okay. Now we will see some other question. See, we have to represent this minus 6 on number line. Represent this minus 6 on number line. How can we do that? First of all, place the 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So this is the representation of minus 6 on number line. See, what is the purpose of this type of question? This type of question only wants to know that whether you are placing this minus 6 on the left hand side of the 0 or right hand side of the 0. So don't worry about this, as I have already told you that left hand side belongs to negative values and right hand side of the 0 belongs to the positive values. Now move to some other types. Other types are draw a number line. See, we have to write down integer between minus 7 and 2. We have to write down all the integer which lies between minus 7 and 2. on number line, as we have already know 1 and 2, and here is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and after that -7. So -7 and 2, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0 and 1. These are the integer. These are the integer which lie between -7 and 2. -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0 and 1. As you are seeing on the number line. If number line is clear, then you can do all the questions of integer. Okay. Now we will see what is the absolute value. Before going to the absolute value, we will discuss about the properties of integer while we are adding or subtracting. As we have already discussed about the properties of addition, that closure property, associative property and commutative property and all. So we will see slightly in different way. So addition of integer.